Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Orly Gumdrop and yours YF08. I started off with Baby Girl Lacquer Glitter Be Gone, and this is Orly Gumdrop. It's got ugly bottle syndrome. It's been sitting for a while. We're gonna go in with our first coat. It's a little streaky and a little sheer on that first coat, but not too bad. It's a really old polish in my collection. A dusty mint kind of shade. Gonna cap that free edge real quick. And once that's dried down some, I'm gonna go in with the second coat. And that will be it. Bring it all the way opaque. It's so pretty. I'll be topping it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Gonna get it to dry down so we can do some stamping. I am really glad I pulled this one out. It's been a bunch of forever since I've worn this. There we go. I'll be using this Yours plate, and it is YE08. And I'm using the Moonflower Hidden Rose, as well as my Cunard Stamper and Beauty Scraper. And this polish that I'm stamping with is just so gorgeous. It looks gold, it looks green, it looks like an aubergine purpley color. It just depends on what light you're looking at it in. It's just stunning. I did clean my stamper off on a lint roller and that plate with pure acetone. Oh, the name of this is perfect, Hidden Rose. I just thought, oh wow, that is so pretty, pretty, pretty. And I'm really liking that image. I don't know what dream, well, yeah, it's kind of swirly loopy, so you know, it's got my name on it. So I'm gonna just use that, different parts of that image all over all of my nails today. I figured this would be a great one to use since it still let that beautiful gumdrop still peek out from the back. I really like this one. Almost looks like a peacock feather, but it's not. I don't know how to describe it, like a smush circle or something. I don't know. But I really did like it. It drew me in. So I'm going to hop in here with a piece of tape and pull off some of this that's gotten on my skin. I did remember my Burt's Bees today, so it came off really easy. And I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and just clean up just a little bit. Just a tiny bit. So there we go. Oh, got this other finger going on. There we go. I'll be using the Nailtiques Smudge Free Top Coat today and just going over everything without smearing it. And once that is totally dry, I'm going to go in with my Poshe and seal this one in, and it'll be done. Oh, I really did love this one. You know, it was simple and easy and not frustrating at all, so I always like it when it works out like that. And here is my manicure in motion. Maybe you'll get to see some of the colors I was talking about. Got the gold and the green and the aubergine. Got it all going on. So I will have a swatch photo coming up here right now. And there it is. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.